Hey guys, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this really cute teal and coral embellishment box. I swapped with my friend on Instagram. Her name is Creating4Fun, but I know her as Lori and she's really sweet and we decided to swap embellishment boxes, so this is the one I made for her. It was really easy to make, and if you haven't made an embellishment box, I suggest you do because it's really fun and, like I said, really easy and really quick. I got my embellishment box from the dollar store. They have another size too, which I also made an embellishment box out of, and I will be sharing that video hopefully soon. And I found some different sizes, also like really giant ones, or you could go smaller if you wanted, from Walmart, and those would work also. You don't have to get it from the dollar store. So the first thing I did on my embellishments box was add some just decorative paper to the two flat sides, because in the middle this case is kind of rounded. So on that I ended up putting a dollar store headband across it. You could use ribbon, or you could also try and cover it with paper or maybe washi tape or like washi sheets. That would work really well. But you can just cover it up, or you can leave it plain. I've seen people leave it plain and it's really cool to see all of the embellishments come through the clear case, which I think is really pretty. Here I'm just adding some ribbon or like some fringe trim around the edge of the top. You don't want to glue it onto the top and the bottom because then you won't be able to open up your case obviously, but I just added that around the whole side, and then here's that headband I added to the top there. I just added some embellishments to the top of the case, and I had this oval die cut and it didn't cut right, so I just cut up the top of it and made it flat so it kind of looks like it was coming in from like somewhere else on there. And here I turned on my light. I thought my light always made my videos look better, but thankfully this like where I slipped up and forgot to turn it on showed me that my videos look a lot better without my light on. So I'm going to be leaving that light off for all my videos now, so hopefully that will make it better so you guys can actually see what I'm doing and there's not such a glare on there. But like I said, I'm just adding some embellishments to the top of this. I messed around a little bit. I made some crepe paper rosettes, I had some washi tape on there, and I was just messing around with it, but I ended up putting the Love More on top, and then I added a strip of like washi tape, or as like a sticker, that doily I think I put on there, and then I was messing around, like I said, with these little embellishments, but what I ended up with was some stickers, like I said, the strip of washi tape, and then I had a cut apart from a piece of paper, and I just kind of made it pretty in the coral and teal like colors because my swap partner said she really liked those colors, so I wanted to keep in that theme and make sure that she got something she really liked. So this is pretty much the final design I came up with for this embellishment box. I just used my die cuts, embellishments, stickers, whatever, and I kept it pretty simple. I'm using my hot glue gun to glue everything down just because it's really quick, but if you wanted to, you could just use some like regular tacky glue or whatever, some tape. It's up to you what you want to use to glue down your stuff. Here I'm just adding on the final touches. I added on another sticker, a piece of ephemera, and then I had some of those flower embellishments that I stuck on there. These enamel dots I got from my friend Miss Evely or Miss Valley. I don't know how you say it, but I'm sure you guys have seen her here on YouTube. We did a pocket letter swap and she included those in my pocket letter. Unfortunately, I forgot to film the video before I ripped it open, but I did share the pocket letter on my Instagram, and she shared a video as well, so I will post that link down below so you guys can see what she made me. Instead of using Easter grass to fill up my embellishment box, I decided just to fold up some tissue paper. Before I did cut up tissue paper to kind of make like my own Easter grass, but the embellishments kind of ended up just sitting at the bottom, so I decided that folding the tissue paper was a better way to do it. This is why I say these are so easy to make, because after you decorate the top, all you have to do is fill in your embellishments, and it might take you longer to make embellishments if you're doing die cuts like me, or if you're just sticking stickers and pre-made embellishments, it'll take you like 5 seconds to do. So if you need something quick to swap or to give somebody, maybe even as a gift if they're crafty, you can just make up an embellishment box. It's really easy. So yeah, I'm just basically sticking stuff in there. I got stamps, die cuts, ribbon, washi tape, and then I'm done. It's really that easy. I really like making these, and I'll probably make a lot more in the future. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below what you want to see next. And by the way, I'm starting a Facebook group, so I will leave that link down below. so you guys can join it if you want. I'm going to be sharing my crafty stuff, and you guys can share your crafty stuff, and we can share links to different pages with like different crafty items, sales, whatever. And I think it'll be really fun, so I hope you guys will join it and come, you know, be on Facebook with me, guys. I will see you in the next video, and yeah, bye guys.